Welcome to this lesson, in which we will explore the use of social media in e-commerce and lead generation.
Social media has revolutionized the way businesses engage with customers and promote their products or services. For e-commerce businesses, social media provides an opportunity to drive sales, generate leads, and build brand awareness.
In this lesson, we will explore strategies to effectively utilize social media for e-commerce and lead generation. The key to successful e-commerce and lead generation on social media is understanding your target audience. Be sure to conduct thorough audience research to identify their demographics, interests, online behavior, and preferences. This understanding will help you create targeted content and deliver personalized marketing messages that resonate with your audience. Selecting the right social media platforms is crucial for reaching your target audience effectively. Consider factors such as platform demographics, user engagement, and industry relevance when choosing your platforms. Focus on platforms where your target audience is most active and where your products or services can be showcased effectively. It is also important to create an engaging social media profile. Your social media profile serves as the face of your e-commerce business on social platforms. Use high-quality visuals and consistent branding to create an attractive and professional profile. Write compelling and keyword-rich descriptions that clearly communicate your unique selling points and value proposition. Additionally, include relevant links to your website or product pages and add call-to-action buttons to encourage users to take action. It is also important to have a good content management strategy. A well-defined content strategy is essential for e-commerce businesses to engage their audience and drive sales. Create a mix of content types, including product showcases, customer testimonials, educational content, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Utilize high-quality images, videos, and interactive elements to capture attention and promote user engagement. Finally, tailor your content to each platform, keeping in mind the preferences and behavior of your target audience on each platform. Social media advertising is a powerful tool for driving e-commerce sales and lead generation.
Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest offer a range of ad formats and targeting options to reach your desired audience. Develop compelling ad creative that highlights your product's unique features and benefits. And utilize precise targeting options to reach potential customers based on demographics, interests, and behaviors.
You will also want to leverage influencer marketing for e-commerce.
Influencer marketing can be a highly effective strategy for e-commerce businesses. Identify influencers in your niche who align with your brand values and have a relevant and engaged audience. Collaborate with influencers to promote your products or services through sponsored posts, reviews, or endorsements. Finally, leverage the influencer's credibility and reach to increase brand visibility, generate leads, and drive sales.
You will also want to consider contests and giveaways. Contests and giveaways are excellent tactics for e-commerce businesses to generate leads and create buzz on social media. Develop enticing prizes that are relevant to your target audience and align with your brand. Encourage participation by asking users to follow your social media accounts, share the contest with their friends, or submit user-generated content. And collect user data, such as email addresses or social media handles, to build your lead database and continue engaging with participants. User-generated content, or UGC, is a valuable asset for e-commerce businesses as it builds trust and credibility. Encourage customers to share their experiences, reviews, and testimonials through hashtags or contests. Repurpose UGC in your social media posts, product pages, or advertisements to showcase real-life experiences and social proof. Additionally, engage with users who contribute UGC by liking, commenting, and resharing their content to foster a sense of community. Social listening and engagement are essential for e-commerce businesses to understand their customers' needs and preferences. Monitor conversations and mentions related to your brand, products, or industry. Additionally, engage with customers by responding to comments, answering questions, and addressing concerns promptly. And actively listen to feedback and suggestions to improve your products or services and enhance the overall customer experience. Implementing effective lead generation strategies on social media can help you grow your customer base and drive sales. Create compelling lead magnets or opt-in incentives, such as exclusive discounts or downloadable resources, to entice users to provide their contact information.
Run targeted lead generation ad campaigns to reach users who have shown interest in your products or services. Additionally, host webinars or live events to capture leads and engage with potential customers in real time. Also consider implementing chatbots or live chat functionality on your website or social media profiles to provide instant support and capture leads. It is also vital to focus on optimizing your conversion rates and retargeting strategies to maximize your e-commerce success on social media. Design persuasive landing pages that highlight the value of your products or services,
and include clear call to action buttons. In addition, implement tracking pixels to capture data on user behavior and segment your audience for personalized remarketing campaigns. Finally, develop retargeting ads tailored to specific user segments to re-engage potential customers and drive them back to your e-commerce site. Finally, measuring your e-commerce success on social media is essential to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. Key metrics to consider include conversion rate, cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, click-through rate, and customer lifetime value. We suggest you utilize analytics tools provided by social media platforms or third-party tools to track and analyze your performance. And be sure to regularly review your metrics and make adjustments to your strategies to optimize your e-commerce efforts on social media. In the ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce, social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses to connect with their audience, drive sales, and generate leads. By harnessing the power of social media platforms, businesses can build brand awareness, engage with their customers, and create meaningful interactions that lead to conversions. With effective strategies, creative content, and the right tools, e-commerce businesses can unlock the full potential of social media and thrive in the digital marketplace. Embrace social media as a powerful tool for e-commerce and lead generation, and position your business for success in the dynamic digital era.
Want to learn more about this subject? Then click on our website to view the full course. Why not subscribe and get access to free articles and special offers? Join the Global Career Highway now.